Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to roll the dough and make this long shape. Now we are going to make the head of the dragon, make multiple cut and make the nose using chopsticks. After this, we're going to make the eyes and make a hole like this using fingers and put it on the top of it, and look, it's ready. Now take a small scissor and make multiple cut on the side of the dragon. Similarly at the center part as well, we are using this knife. And look, it's done. After this, we're going to make the body of the dragon. So using fingers, we're going to give shape, and using knife and scissors, we're also making multiple cut on the top and side of it. We're also making these beautiful designs. You can take spoon in place of this, and look, it's done. Now we're going to make the legs of the dragon, so make multiple cut and give it shape as well. For more perfection, we are making these design, put it on the side of the dragon, and it's done. Roll the dough and we're going to press it on the top using chopsticks. Cut the top and bottom. As you can see, you will get these three partitions. Now using comb and knife, we're going to make the tail of the fish and press it as well using chopsticks. Using this spoon, we're going to further make design on the top of it. Let's make the fins now. So cut it using scissors, and using comb, we're going to make the pattern on the top of it. Look, it is already looking beautiful. Further give it shape using spoon, and look, it's done. Let's make the eyes using chopsticks, and look, your dough art is ready. First, we are going to roll the dough from the bottom side, and let's make the tentacles of the octopus. So cut all of them using knife and roll it like this. Using chopsticks, we're going to make the eyes of the octopus, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to fold these three dough together, and we are going to press it using chopsticks. Now using knife, we are going to make the leaf pattern. Using fingers, hold it from the top, and look, it's ready. After making the leaf, we are going to further cut the side of the dough and roll it like this. Now keep it aside. Roll three dough together, make a circle. Now using comb, we are going to make a design on the sides. Put them in a straight line. Here we are going to make the flower shape. Now we are going to roll it like this. Open the petals using fingers, put it at the center, and look how beautiful this art is looking. Roll the dough, make a circle. Now we are going to roll it from the center part like we are doing here. Using comb and fork and knife, we are making different designs on the top of it. We're making the fins and tail of the fish. We are pressing it from the side of the art, and look, it's done. You can also use a spoon in place of this for making the scales of the fish, and look, it's ready. Dab the eyes of the fish, and you can further adjust it from the sides, and it's done. We are going to roll the dough and make 4 circles. Combine all of them together. Now using chopstick, we are going to press it from the center part, fold it, make this semicircle. Again use the chopstick and press it like this. Now adjust it and give it shape. We are going to make this heart shaped dough art, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.